Hi guys and welcome to Ramair Filters. Today we're going to be taking a look at one of our best-selling induction kits, the JSK 101 DD, which fits the EA113 engines, the likes of the Golf MK5 GTI, the Audi A3 and the other 2-litre turbos. This induction kit is oversized for your performance increases, so it's got a 90mm pipework which allows you to draw much more air through the filter. It returns back down to 70mm at the MAF so that you don't have any engine management lights, and also this induction kit can be fitted to both the KO3 and KO4 models by just removing the banking plug for the KO4 or having it installed for the KO3s. You get two heat shields in this induction kit. Both are coated and textured and they fit to the OEM mounting points, so there's no need for any modifications. You can pick this up for $189.99 from our website, from eBay and from Amazon, and of course with next day shipping. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.